Okay guys, here we go. Here are 3 cups right there. 3 cups of rice. Notice I have 2 separate measuring cups. The reason for that is that sometimes the measuring cup is wet with water from measuring out the water and throwing it in there. Then you throw in the rice, it gets stuck. You gotta kind of scoop it out with your hands, and it's just more work. So might as well get a set that includes a 2 cup measuring cup and a 4 cup measuring cup. So look at this rice, you guys. It doesn't fully look like white rice because it's not, and it's not brown rice because it's not. It's parboiled, P-A-R-B-O-I-L-E-D. Canilla or canilla makes one too, and Carolina rice, that parboiled one, you could even find that at Rite Aid. Can you believe that? So if you're in a pinch and you need to find a place that sells it, you could even go to Rite Aid. So notice, you guys, what it looks like when it's wet. The consistency, it feels like, what does it feel like? It feels slippery or slimy because, again, it's already been boiled. My mom, I love her to death, and she usually cooks white rice. She washes it 3 times to get all the excess starch out. So I'm going to do something similar very carefully. Pour out the water. Wash it 3 times in honor of my mom. If I ever forget how many times to wash it, it's only till the water comes out relatively clear. Relatively clear. So here we go. If I had both hands handy, I would definitely wash it as if I were washing my hands, like chuk, 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 and it makes a cool sound. But we don't have time, and I have 1 hand. Oh, don't lose your rice, you guys. So pour it out gently. If I had 2 hands handy, I would use this net, this colander, to make sure I don't lose any bits of rice. And here's my 3rd one. This one I might just have to put it up. So give me 1 second. Let's see how this works. Okay. This is the ones that I'm going to have to hang off it for a little bit. Here we go. I'm wearing my engagement band, and my wedding band is somewhere in my room. My 2-year-old decided to go through my dresser and pick whatever he wanted and play with it, unbeknownst to me, of course. So here I am trying to find it whenever I have a second. So I am married, you guys. I love my husband, Oliver. That's a little shout out to Oliver. And here we go. It's already boiling, you guys. You see that? So I'm going to throw it in there. Good job. You could use any container to wash it. Plastic, glass, aluminum, whatever works for you. Give me a second. Let me get these extras right off of here. 1 second. Okay, 1 second. Okay, there it is. Make sure it's all fully submerged. There we go. And you could cover it, you guys. Here we go. Cover it. And instead of being at 6, which is what it was on, we're going to bring it down to 4. We're going to go down gradually from 6 to 4, and then lastly to 2 when all the water's gone. In the meantime, this is a perfect time to start cleaning up and putting away my Prego, the water, the apple cider vinegar, the oregano, everything but the adobo, you guys. Because if it's still a little low on the salt content, then we could compensate with adobo. Okay? So see you guys very soon. 1 sec.